Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today, Terra Innovatum Global N.V just filed an 8K, and I am seeing one appointment that could signal a shift. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. The company added a new director, and this person has a background that might be interesting for their future. Alright, let's dive into this 8K filing for Terra Innovatum Global N.V, which is also known by its stock ticker NKLR. This is a current report, meaning it is about a significant event happening right now. Terra Innovatum Global N.V is the company in question. They are incorporated in the Netherlands and trade on the Nasdaq stock market under the symbol NKLR. We also see they are considered an emerging growth company, which means they have a bit more flexibility with certain financial reporting rules. The main event here is under item 5.02, which deals with changes in a company's leadership. On the 16th of June 2026, the board of directors appointed Joanna Lohkamp as an interim director. She is also joining the audit committee and will chair the remuneration committee. This appointment is effective the 1st of July 2026, and she will serve as a non-executive director until the next shareholder meeting. Looking at the research context, Joanna Lohkamp is the CEO of SmartWires, and there is recent news about her being appointed to the board. This is a pretty significant move, especially considering Terra Innovatum Global's focus in the utilities and regulated electric sector, having a CEO of another company, particularly in a related field. Join your board suggests a potential for collaboration, or at least a strong signaling of strategic direction. The filing also states there are no special agreements or understandings that led to her selection, which is standard practice. It also confirms no family relationships with existing management and no direct or indirect material interest in any transactions that would need special disclosure. This means her appointment appears to be purely based on her expertise and suitability. Now, why is this interesting, Terra Innovatum? Global N.V is a company with a relatively small market cap, around $511 million, and currently trading at about $4.62. They have a small employee base of just 5 people. This makes any board appointment, especially someone with CEO experience like Miss Lohkamp, quite impactful. She brings leadership from a company that, based on its name, likely operates in a similar or complementary space. This could be a move to bring in valuable industry insights and operational expertise to guide the company, especially as they are listed as an emerging growth company. The news headlines around this appointment mention a buy recommendation from B. Riley Securities and Canaccord Genuity, which is positive. It also mentions an Illinois underground site chosen for Terra Innovatum's first solo reactor from Stock Titan back in June. This suggests the company is making moves to deploy its technology, and adding experienced leadership like Miss Lohkamp could be crucial for that execution. The report is signed by Alessandro Petruzzi, the Chief Executive Officer, dated the 2nd of July 2026. This confirms the official filing of this significant leadership change. So, what does this appointment really mean for Terra Innovatum Global N.V, or NKLR, for a company with only 5 employees? Bringing in a CEO from another tech or utility focused company as a director and committee chair is a big deal. It suggests they are looking to leverage external expertise to navigate growth and perhaps to build out their operational capacity. The fact that she will chair the remuneration committee also indicates a focus on aligning executive incentives and talent strategy, which is critical for a smaller company looking to scale. My biggest concern is the potential for dilution if, as they grow, they need to raise more capital. However, the positive analyst ratings and the strategic appointment of Joanna Lohkamp do point towards a potentially positive trajectory. What I am actually looking for next is how this new leadership dynamic plays out in their future operational and financial reports, especially regarding the deployment of their solo reactor technology. Oh, and the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps. And subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description.